guys, Saving with Shay. So if you see me out with my sweats on, you know it's just been a lounging day. I had 2 customers this morning and I thought, you know what? Let's go to Walmart and do a couple deals. This is the worst day to come because I've never seen them so busy right now. I know the kids are about to go back to school. So that's probably why in part they're super crowded right now. Um, but if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this on the face right here, I am Shay. Yes, Shay with the bow, bow, bow. Yeah, we blew a hose on a car yesterday, and I did not think I was gonna make it home from Walmart. Like I did not think I thought I was gonna have to call the AAA. I did. But luckily the neighbor, his son is a mechanic, so he came and fixed it like last night. So I didn't go to the gym this morning. It's been a while since I've taken a full-on rest day, and today was a full-on rest day. Like I slept in and everything. And I think I needed it because I'm kind of like the type of person where I work out every day, you know? And I feel like I needed that complete rest day. And so we're back in action. The bait mobile, rebate mobile is back in action. And it's 104 degrees here in SoCal. Where you at? What's the temperature? Because it's 104. Hopefully I've muted the AC blasting in my face right now. But listen, I only have a few deals that I came for. I made a really, really small list. This is the only Walmart that has those degrees, the orange one on clearance for $2. I see that we have degree on Ibotta. We have it on Checkout 51, and we have it on the sister apps. For those of you who ask, what is the sister apps? Sis apps. Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, Tada, Easy Bucks, Upromise, Be Frugal. Those are the sister apps, all right? I always say have them all, even if you know you're not going to use them all or you have no intentions really of using them all, because sometimes the amounts do vary from app to app, and you can never go wrong, right? And at the same time, if there's a really awesome deal, you can literally do it across the board. Of course, you have to do separate transactions. And a lot of times there are deals that we can also stack with Checkout 51 or Ibotta or other apps, which is always a bonus. So I came to do degree. The chapstick, it did reset for us on Ibotta. So I wanted to do that deal again. It reset for Walmart Rewards as well. I know a lot of you guys are not super familiar with Walmart Rewards. I will post, I'll link a video in the description for you. I'm probably going to post a short video independently. I'll take a snippet from one of my last videos I mentioned and how to do it in store. I'll probably, post that independently. But yeah, so I wanted to do that deal. It popped up on Checkout 51, which I was really hoping that it would. And then the Glade also did. So I did do that deal again as well. I told y'all, offer up, I sell on set, so I had to get another one of these anyways. Now the offer on and all of these deals I went over in my last Walmart video, which I posted yesterday. And so this deal here, the offer is still in review going to that. So I still at this point don't know if it's gonna clear. I did use a $6 printable from coupons.com with that. And so I don't know if it's going to clear yet, but if it hasn't, which doesn't normally take that long to clear, like the offers do clear relatively quick. But I will again keep you guys posted. Now today, because we have the offer on Checkout 51, I wanted to stack that with one of the offers on the sister app. So this is priced at $11.98, I want to say, $11.97 maybe, and then $6 back on. I think I did My Points and $6 on Checkout 51. So it makes this like a 2-cent, 3-cent moneymaker. I thought it was a great deal. They have like 5 different scents. They have 3 seasonal scents, and then they have this one, and I believe the other one, Hawaiian scent. So definitely check for that. I did the chapstick again as well. It popped up on Checkout 51, and it's on the sister apps. It reset on Ibotta. It's on Walmart Rewards. So I only did 2 more sets because in my last video I did 4 of the apps basically. So I still had 2 more apps I could do it on, being My Points. Actually, I had 3. I had My Points, Be Frugal, and Upromise. So today I did 2 sets. I did one for My Points and one for Upromise. I'm missing one. Yeah, they were so busy today. I've never seen them so busy in my life. I almost walked right back out, but because I have a customer that I meet right here, I always try to put together some type of deal while I'm here. So I did 2 separate sets, 3 and 3. I did one for Walmart Rewards, and then I submitted this receipt to Checkout 51, and I did Upromise, and then I did this set for Ibotta, My Points, and Joseph's Checkout 51 account. I think my account, I'm super close to cashing out, so I really wanted to do that deal, this deal, and then do the fillet so I could cash out. But basically, the chapstick deal, if you're able to do 3 of these, you'd pay $4.50. These are kept up front by the checkout. You pay $4.50, getting back $4 on Ibotta, My Points, and Checkout 51 will make all 3 a $7.50 money maker. So basically, this all 6 of these is like a $15 money maker, which is pretty awesome. I was looking for the degree that are on clearance for $2. I was gonna grab 4 of those, pay $8, get back $10 on My Points, $1.50 for each on Ibotta, and then $1 for each on Checkout 51. And those end up being a $12 money maker. Now you could also grab the ones that are like, I think they're $4.98. Would still be free, like a 2-cent money maker or whatever, but I'm hoping that they'll get those in stock, and I would rather get those. What else? I was looking for the Dove Men Care, the limited edition ones, the FIFA ones, because those are on clearance. I think $4.50, and we have a $2 offer on Ibotta that it works for. So basically, you would get those for $2.50, which I think was a good price. But my store's completely out of that. I was looking for the Florister as well, babies. I did see that at the store on clearance for like $8. We have $8 on Checkout 51 and $8 on the sister apps, but they didn't have it. And I was looking for soft soap. They have this particular scent on clearance at the other store for $3.25, and we have $1.75 on the sister apps. We have $3.50 when you buy 2 on Ibotta. So I thought that would have been a pretty decent deal. This store didn't have it though. And then the last thing I got was the dial. I was a little unsure if I was going to do this deal, but I do have an offer on that I'm tracking for that's been 40, get back 8, and I'm halfway through that, and so I figured why not. So I went ahead and grabbed the dial. It did not reset for us on Checkout 51, which is unfortunate, but it's still a pretty decent deal because these are priced at $2.58. So if you grab 4 of them, you're going to end up paying $10.32. You'll get back $4.50 or $4.50 for each set on My Points, making them only 33 cents each, which I think is a pretty decent deal. Now I do have a ton of these at home, and I have these priced at 4 for $5. I'm gonna drop it to 4 for $4. See how that does, and see if they move, because I have a ton of these. With that being said, I think that was basically it. I only did 2 transactions. Other than that, I just wanted to make this quick. It's at 11 minutes, which is not as quickly as I thought it would be, but I did want to mention the chapstick resetting, and that we do have it on Checkout 51. And I'm not sure how long the offer is going to last. I thought about just doing the degree, even though it wasn't the clearance ones while I was here, but I figured if I could get the $2 ones, that would be a much better deal for me. And they have been restocking it, which is cool. So I'll probably check in the next couple of days and see if they restock it. I might just have to just grab the other ones. I need women deodorant in my stockpile anyways, and it sells really good for me. And so, with that being said, yeah, see my CVS bag I found. So pretty, so pretty. Anyways, with that being said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. Of course, don't forget to hype your girl up. With that being said, if you're able to score it, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.